In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates on HubSpot Marketing Hub Starter using a workaround. This process should make crafting your own email templates much easier, even if you're using the starter plan of HubSpot. Now let's dive straight into the step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot website URL. Once you are on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you will find the Sign In button. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page. Here, input your login credentials carefully. It's important to ensure that your account details are correct to avoid any access issues. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This serves as your starting point for accessing all the features HubSpot offers. Now locate the library from the menu options. Clicking on library will guide you to a collection of resources you can utilize for email marketing. In the library section, let's focus on finding the templates option. This section is specifically dedicated to your saved email templates and any new ones you might be working on. Efficiently managing this part can greatly enhance your email communication strategies in any marketing campaign you undertake. Once you're in the templates area, you're ready to create a new template. Look for the new template button, which is usually located at the top right of the screen. Clicking this button will open up a new window where you can begin designing your email template. This stage is where your creativity can shine. Utilize the tools and options available to structure your email effectively, ensuring it aligns with your brand's style and messaging needs. Keep in mind that consistency is key, so select fonts and colors that are easily recognizable as part of your brand. This is also an excellent opportunity to use dynamic elements such as placeholders, which can be auto-filled with specifics like customer names during actual email sends. This adds a personalized touch to each recipient. To enhance your template's effectiveness, consider adding sections for news updates, promotional offers, or upcoming events directly into the layout. These elements make your emails more engaging and informative, encouraging recipients to take desired actions. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content of your template, don't forget to save your work. You've now created a versatile email template that can be reused for different campaigns, saving you valuable time in the long run. So there you have it, a convenient workaround to create email templates on HubSpot Marketing Hub Starter. Following these instructions should simplify your email marketing endeavors, making them more efficient and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.